ఇప్పుడు create the project, close all these. Come to here, stop the server, cd dot dot with the current working directory, Django hyphen admin, start project, py manage.py, start app, test app is the best. తర్వాత I have to create form class కదా. You have to create one forms.py file. Create forms.py file in our application. Because forms.py is not there, views is there, models is there, apps admin is there. Forms అనేది లేదు, we have to create manually. So go to the pie chart, A, B, C, D, forms, open settings, inside install apps లో add the test app. జనరల్గా టెస్ట్ యాప్లో see these are all the files are there. Admin apps models test views. ఎక్కడ కూడా forms.py is not there. We have to create a Python file forms.py. Inside create the form class. So right click on test app, Python file forms. Inside from Django import the module name is forms. Take a Python class. Class name any name. My class name is student form. Inside module name dot class name is the form. ఇవన్నీ ఆల్రెడీ ప్రీ డిఫైన్డ్. ఓకే, పేరెంట్ ఫార్మ్స్ మాడ్యూల్ ఇదిగోండి. ఫామ్ అనేది ఒక క్లాస్, ఇది పేరెంట్, స్టూడెంట్ ఫామ్ ఈజ్ ద చైల్డ్ క్లాస్. వాట్ ఎవర్ ఫీల్డ్స్, ఒక 2 ఫీల్డ్స్, నేమ్, మార్క్స్. ఫార్మ్స్ డాట్ నేమ్ అనేది జనరల్గా క్యారెక్టర్ ఫీల్డ్, మార్క్స్ ఇంటీజర్ ఫీల్డ్. మోడల్స్ అలాగే ఇక్కడ కూడా సేమ్ స్టోరీ కథం. సో ఈ క్లాసు కెన్ బి కన్వర్టెడ్ డిస్ప్లే వన్ ఫామ్ ఇన్ ద HTML. ఫస్ట్ ఫీల్డ్ నేమ్, సెకండ్ ఫీల్డ్ మార్క్స్. ఇలా ఒక ఫామ్గా అది కన్వర్ట్ అవుద్ది. Django ఈజ్ రెస్పాన్సిబుల్ కన్వర్ట్ దిస్ క్లాస్ టు ద one student form. Once I click on submit, if you want to store to the database. ఇది forms class. సో ఇక్కడ నేమ్ అండ్ మార్క్స్ ఆర్ ద ఫీల్డ్ నేమ్స్ which will be available in HTML form. Now, who is responsible to send this form means view. This forms.py, I can send it to the views.py. It will send it to the template file. HTML file. So కాబట్టి views is the responsible to send this class as a form to the HTML file. Views.py. Def student input view request. Sir, first of all, it is a class. Student form is a class. Available forms.py inside test app. Create object to that from test app dot forms import student form. ఇది ఒక class. Class with parenthesis means object dot created. So once object created, this form can be hold empty form. This one I have to send to the same how data provided my dict equal to form colon form. Dictionary created. Return render request ఒక టెస్ట్ HTML ఫైల్ యూ కెన్ క్రియేట్ టెస్ట్ యాప్ స్లాష్ ఇన్పుట్ డాట్ HTML పాస్ ద మై డిక్ట్. So this meaning is I'm creating one object, automatically that Python class converted to one empty form. That form can be held by this variable. This variable anything you can use. X also valid, but you can give X. So now form is created. Instead of this shortcut, direct pass this dictionary into here, comma dictionary. Valid. Instead of creating dictionary, direct you can send dictionary also. Both ways are valid. So first I created dictionary and passing that value. This is the views.py. So I created object to the class. That form I created one dictionary passing to this file. Create one file. Input.html file. Here I have to injected that form. So this form I am sending to this HTML file. Creation of HTML file to hold the form. How to send this means whatever key you are forwarding, you can give into the curling braces. Inside template file, we have to use template tag to inject the form. Open, close two curling braces, that key, two curling braces. And automatically form. ఇప్పుడు create one HTML file. HTML ఫైల్ కావాలంటే టెంప్లెట్స్ ఇవన్నీ కామన్. రైట్ క్లిక్, న్యూ, డైరెక్టరీ, టెంప్లెట్స్. రైట్ క్లిక్, న్యూ, డైరెక్టరీ, స్టాటిక్. Right click on templates, directory name, test app. Right click, new, HTML, input.html. Inside static, new, directory, CSS. Right click, new file, CSS. Take two variables. Template underscore dir equal to base dir slash templates. Static dir equal to base dir static. This template dir give to the dirs. Static dir. Then come to here. Title, student form. Come to body, H1. Student input form. దీనికి ఫస్ట్ define one URL. std use dot student input view from test app import views. Run server. std student input form. But how to get the form means within your HTML there is one tag is there, form tag, form. ఇదిగోండి. Select this form, action, method. Such type of things are there automatically. What about this action? Forget about this. Method two are there, post and get. Two methods are there. Which is the post, which is the get? Next I will tell. How to inject the form? Double curly brace. What is the key? Form. Come to here, refresh. అదిగోండి. Name and marks came. Line by line. Observe here, right click, view the page source. ఇదిగోండి. I'm not written any HTML code, but code came. Title, student form, H1, post method, input, type, text box, name, required. HTML code came. Yes. Just to Python class converted. Now, in this anywhere paragraph tag is there, not available. Now check this. I want to come line by line dot as underscore p. Refresh. Line by line. Right click, paste source. ఇప్పుడు చూడండి p tag added. So that is as underscore p means line by line it will be coming just like paragraph tag. మరి once I am entering this, ఒక బటన్ కావాలి. What is the button? What is the type? Input. Type equal to submit value. Submit. Refresh. అదిగోండి. Student input form provided there. దీని మొత్తాన్ని ఎక్కడ పెడదాం? Refresh. Form came. So now I'm entering the name marks and if I want to submit it. అక్కడ CSS ఉంది కదా, come to here CSS. Body. Background. How to add this? We know. What is the tag? Link. Curling brace. Percentage. Static. CSS slash form1 dot CSS. Refresh. Template syntax. Load static missing. ఎక్కడ పోయింది? ఇక్కడే. ఈ లైన్లో ఎర్ర ఉంది. లైన్ నెంబర్ 7. form1 dot CSS. Static CSS. నేను మిస్టేక్ కామానా? ఓహో, ఇక్కడ క్లోజ్ చేయలే. నా ఫామ్ రెడీ. ఇక్కడ if I'm entering the name and marks, click on submit, then what will happen, sir? What is happened if I click on submit? You are getting error. CSRF token error we are getting. What is that CSRF token? The CSRF meaning cross site request forgery. అది మిస్ అయిందంటుంది. What it is, I will tell that story. Take this HTML file. So post a, get a, how to decide it, that also we will discuss. దీనికి ఒక URL మెన్షన్ చేయండి. జస్ట్ రన్ దిస్. Start the server, send the request. So this is just one form class I created. We usually created object, forwarded, send it to HTML, define URL, display. So why this error came? What is this CSRF? How to handle? Tomorrow I will explain. Bye everyone. Tomorrow we'll continue.